Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to use headphones as a microphone. This will be an easy tutorial with super simple instructions. Once again, the topic of this video is how to use headphones as a microphone. And this will be an easy tutorial with super easy to follow instructions. So let's get right into this easy tutorial. Now that I've said easy tutorial many times, let's start the video. So essentially right over here, we have a pair of headphones. And the first thing that you want to look for when you're trying or when you're considering using a pair of headphones as a microphone, and yes, I need to replace these headphones. I know they're destroyed. I've had them for like probably 10 years. Anyways, I rarely use them, but I do use them sometimes, but I do know that I need to replace them. I know that. You don't need to tell me in the comments section. Anyways, because I know they get little marks everywhere wherever I bring them, and whenever I use them, they just flake off everywhere. Like already on the dryer, there's all sorts of crusty flakes from the padding of the headphones. Anyways, sorry, the first thing that you need to look for before I show you that right there is an actual microphone on the unit or microphone capability. So right here, I know that there's a microphone that lies in here, okay? Sometimes the microphone might also be within the headphone itself, but the main thing that you can look for that tells you that there is a microphone is the third line. So essentially, as you can see right here, this is the jack on the headphone. So if you follow the headphone wire all the way to the end, this is the jack at the end of it. And you can see there are 3 lines. And the key here is that this offers different sections. So each of these little lines separates the metal from here to here, and then from here to here, and then from here to here, okay? Now, if your headphones, like headphones that only have mono sound, are not gonna have any lines, it's just gonna be one straight piece of metal. Headphones that have stereo sound are going to essentially have, I apologize. Headphones that have mono sound are usually going to only have one line on them, okay? To separate like the contact from the top over here. Headphones, so mono sound, like just one sound coming from the headphones is just going to be one line, okay? Headphones that have stereo sound, which is right and left together, like a dual sound, are going to have 2 lines. Headphones that have stereo sound and a microphone are going to have 3 lines. So the fact that this little headphone jack has 3 lines tells me that this has a built-in microphone. Once you know that the headphones have a microphone built in, all that you have to do is look for a port that offers microphone capabilities. So for instance, you might be plugging into a headphone port, and if it's just a headphone port, then your microphone's not going to work because it only has the capability to accept the 2 lines, not the 3 lines, right? So the 3rd line will make a difference. But if your port has microphone capabilities like this one over here, then essentially when you plug in your headphone jack into there, what's going to happen is the microphone will activate, and the microphone will then pick up capability. The microphone capability will then pick up and listen to your voice or whatever sound you're trying to produce from the microphone. And that's basically it. You need to make sure your headphones have a microphone, have microphone capabilities, and I showed you how to do that by looking sort of at the wire and then at the jack itself, and then you need to plug them into a microphone capable port. And that's essentially it. That is how to use headphones as a microphone, an easy tutorial. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course be sure to subscribe for more good videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.